Should keep it on as protection. Like the way
It was just going down and now
it's growing. I'm like, is it really though?
Yeah, I just moved.
Like it looks like it got bigger. Not moving.
Like, I don't want to touch it, but
You need a really long stick to like lift it up slowly. But it totally was like breathing the other day and like going up and down. I think it's birds. Oh my god, do you see that? The pink?
yeah.
That's bird.
I won't stand over there if it's coming
Well,
from that
don't
side.
poke it, just lift up the grass. Look at that. They made a nice little house. Wow, impressive.
It's gonna die.
That's where its head is. Be careful. Wow. Good job, guys.
It's gonna be like, what's the gray? Like the
That's
fur?
the fur, or could be from people's dryer lint blowing away. God, move it, Cass. Come on.
Babe, I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
It's running at me.
It's little. Did they make a hole? Well, you're totally covering up where it was alive. Just keep
Heather, it's scarier than it looks.
standing here too.
I'm trying not to.
Oh, you see that? Did it move? That's a hole in the ground. That's why it's not growing. Try to pull that back. Pull that fluff back so we can see in there. Oh! Oh my god!
Is that a baby bunny?
I don't know what it is. It's moving. Oh, that's big. Big head. What do you think that is? That's a mouse, right? That's not a bunny. Oh, this isn't showing it good. Oh, could it be a...
No, that looks like a squirrel, maybe?
I don't know. This is really crappy quality content. It's a lot of them.
Huh?
It's a lot. What are those? They look like mice because of the ears. That's a squirrel. That's totally a squirrel.
Definitely a squirrel.
Cover it back up.
That's why Luna was looking at that stuff today, I bet.
Just leave that there. I want to get my camera.
I
Do
don't want the
squirrels
ones that are
live
gonna
on the
die.
ground?
They're gonna die now. 'cause
Why
I
did
touched
they?
it.
That's why it's not growing. They're living in there.
I'm gonna go check on the baby squirrels from yesterday. It looks like all the stuff is rustled. And they're all gone. They're not in there anymore. The mom must not liked us messing with them. Get your treat! Get your treat! Come on, walk! You can do it. Look at that little thing, it's so cute. No, get your treat. You can do it. Stand up, you. Go get it. Get your treat. You want it? Get it. Get it.
She looks so cool.
Oh, you're so cutie babies.
Oh yes. Sorry, are we moving?
Da 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 da! Cheeselandia!
What is that? What the heck?
Cassidy, welcome, neighbor. We are so grateful that you are here.
This is something Cassidy got from the radio station or
No.
something.
They did it on the radio station,
Uh-huh.
and they said you should do it because it's free and they do cool stuff.
Oh, they just told you to go to the site and get it for free or something?
Yeah, if you sign up. Got a cutting board.
Like probably a
For free.
cheese display board for gathering.
And it has my name on the back.
No! Why isn't it your last name?
I know. I was gonna put my name backwards, so they said put Massart, but I didn't. I forgot.
Dummy. Why didn't you have me sign up? We could have two.
You can do it right now. I'm gonna surprise you because I signed up so long ago and it wasn't coming, and I was like, just did it not work?
Well, we'll have to share that with you guys. What do
But
you do?
they do cheese things like every month or something, and they send you cheeses for free.
Why?
And they do like cheese parties, and that you can like go onto their website and like do like a Zoomy Cheeselandia tasting.
Oh
of
my
cheeses.
god, what?
Yeah, I'll have to show you the pictures of like Katie and Nick and them.
You never even mentioned it. When I first came out, I said that I had a daughter, and the whole conversation that me and Jocelyn had in those 2 days, she never even mentioned my daughter. But Jada was just very supportive. That's why I chose Jada.
You're waiting for me to open the door. Is this as far out as you get? This is where she sits all day. You guys, Luna was up here and saw something and ran right here. It was like pawing at the door. She's a dog, and I feel so bad we can't let her outside. But she sits here all day, hangs out with the birds, the chipmunks. Da, 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 da. Oh, I love it. It's so perfect.
I like it.
Yes, you guys, what colors are they?
Red, orange, yellow, and purple.
Is it rainbow?
And green.
Yeah.
And blue.
Wow. I love it.
No,
That's not the mini size though, is it? That's the 8. Is that?
Yeah, the minis were literally so
Yeah,
small.
yeah.
For picture purposes. And there's no out leftovers. So.
Yeah. What am I saying? The cake has traveled safely to my parents' house for my birthday. Happy golden birthday! You remembered your man. Happy birthday! The cake is so beautiful. Oh my god. And you didn't have to make it. What the heck? It's your golden birthday! Oh my gosh. You guys are so extra. What the heck? Are these your wedding decorations? Yes. You guys so useful. They're never gonna go outside. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. You guys are crazy. Thank you. Happy birthday! Oh my god, that flame needs to calm down. Nice. I hope you remember to make a wish.
I never make wishes.
Ouch!
Me neither. They were dumb.
Oh, don't you raise him that way.
Door, and there was one on top, and it fell on my head, and I've been terrified of frogs since.
Oh.
Like I was saying, he's gonna hurt himself.
How did he even get there? Can you check your